Have you ever thought of polymers having their own taste in drinks? That's true, and it is based on the solubility characteristics of the polymer, which I will explain more. PVA and PVP are famous polymers used in plastic industry. In this video, I will show how important it is to know about solubility preferences of the chemicals you're working with. Let me showcase a practical challenge. First, when they designed laundry pods, everything seemed to be going well. PVA was dissolved in water and the inside detergent was released. However, they overlooked the fact that PVA contains hydroxyl groups, which makes it highly hydrophilic and prone to absorbing moisture from the air. And long story short, this led to premature softening and leakage during storage, which led to customer dissatisfaction. And finally, they had to replace PVA to make the formulation work. In order to get familiar with the nature of PVA and PVP, you need to watch it closely, and this is amazing. Just please pay attention to how they react when they are introduced to different kinds of solvents. When PVP is added to water, it doesn't immediately dissolve. Instead, it floats on the surface, forming a thin shell due to its low density and strong intermolecular forces. This happens especially with high molecular weight PVP. To prevent clumping, it's better to sprinkle the powder gradually or pre-wet with solvents like ethanol before adding water. When PVP is added to ethanol, it sinks right away, but it doesn't dissolve smoothly. Instead, the particles clump together, similar to what happens in water. With heating and stirring, the clumps gradually disperse, but many bubbles appear in the solution. This is because ethanol has a lower surface tension than water, allowing air to get trapped easily during the mixing. With heat and continuous stirring, the PVA particles gradually break down and dissolve, forming a clear solution. This process happens because heat helps disrupt polymers' intermolecular forces, allowing water molecules to penetrate and dissolve it completely.